Every Chevrolet is backed by a limited warranty program. And for added protection, purchase the General Motors Continuous Protection Plan. Ask your salesperson for details on this important option.
You're right. This isn't a brand new celebrity. It's a 55 Chevy. The granddaddy of Chevrolet's brightest, most innovative car of the 80s, the Celebrity. Oh, what a car. Truly revolutionary in its day. And really popular because of its fresh styling. People liked it because it was what they needed. Big and roomy inside with plenty of trunk space. And it featured a new optional 265 cubic inch overhead valve V8. The first Chevrolet V8 in 40 years. The 55 Chevy was an economical, practical, family-sized car. Something you'd expect from Chevrolet. Interestingly enough, that's what people still need. And that's what's impressing them today about the new Celebrity. It's Chevrolet's new generation front-wheel drive family car with mid-size room and comfort and the fuel economy you might expect from a compact. Fascinating, isn't it? How cars have changed from the 55 Chevy into a car like the Celebrity. They're worlds apart when it comes to design and manufacturing technology. Let's go take a look. We're going to the plant to get a behind-the-scenes look at the new technologies at work today in building the Celebrity. You see, recently, Chevrolet surveyed a number of celebrity buyers to determine their primary reasons for purchasing the car. Many mentioned fuel economy, interior roominess, the benefits of front-wheel drive, riding comfort, and exterior styling. Now, these product attributes don't just happen. They're designed in. And here at the plant, we'll learn about some of these under-the-skin values and the overall quality that celebrity owners have singled out. We're going to examine what they're doing to make Celebrity the car that it is. There are many individual elements contributing to Celebrity's impressive ride and comfort, including aerodynamic engineering, the suspension system, acoustical insulation, the front-wheel drive design. The list goes on and on. But the most impressive story is the overall emphasis on product quality. Quality that contributes to added value and benefits for the Celebrity owner. It includes robot technology designed to provide added uniformity and consistency of sheet metal to sheet metal fits. It also includes the net build manufacturing and assembly technique that provides closer working tolerances and tighter fits. Sophisticated testing equipment is used along the entire production line for immediate inspection purposes. It's here in the plant where computers and people have joined together to make the value visible. All of these procedures are performed to help assure that the quality is there at the time of delivery. But computers and people are only part of the Celebrity value story. There's a lot more under the skin contributing to Celebrity's value. For example, every Celebrity receives extensive anti-corrosion treatments. I'll show you what I mean. To help fight corrosion at vulnerable points, zinc-rich pre-coated metals are used on outer door panels, outer rear quarter panels, and on suspension brackets. Another anti-corrosion treatment is this Elpo dip bath. In this procedure, the car body is submerged in a zinc-rich primer that is electrostatically bonded to the body. Selected body areas on Celebrity also receive a hard plastic finish called Plastisol, which helps guard the lower body from stone chipping. This standard feature on Celebrity is either an extra cost option or is not available at all on many competitors. For added value, stone-resistant and corrosion-resistant plastics are used in selected areas that are normally subjected to inclement weather and harsh abuse. As I mentioned earlier, Recent celebrity buyers indicated that interior roominess and front-wheel drive technology were two of the major reasons for purchasing Celebrity. To an automotive design engineer, interior spaciousness and drivetrain packaging are inseparable. For example, with rear-wheel drive, the drivetrain components take up valuable room in the passenger compartment and cargo area. But with front-wheel drive, since the engine and transaxle are mounted transversely, the propeller shaft is eliminated, as are rear drivetrain components. This configuration is space efficient, providing added room for passengers and cargo. The base engine for the Celebrity is a 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine equipped with electronic fuel injection. This advanced system meters fuel flow a minimum of 80 times per second. An electronically controlled solenoid nozzle injects a measured spray of fuel into the throttle body, adjusting to changes in operating conditions for responsive performance and impressive fuel economy. Celebrity owners mentioned riding comfort as an important reason for buying Celebrity. One of the elements contributing to Celebrity's riding comfort is the front upper cradle bushing. There are 4 of these special bushings, one at each corner on the engine cradle frame. They have an important role in cushioning and absorbing engine vibrations and noise, and that contributes to riding comfort. The Celebrity uses a proven McPherson strut front suspension that combines a shock absorber and coil spring into one unit. It's ideally suited for use on front-wheel drive cars because of its compact, lightweight design and bump-absorbing qualities. These coil springs have been computer selected based on the weight of the vehicle, which varies according to the options ordered. For the Celebrity, there are 32 pairs of front springs that the computer can select from to help assure the best match of spring to vehicle weight, all for a smooth, comfortable ride. Acoustical insulation also plays an important role in Celebrity's riding comfort by minimizing road and wind noise. This insulation includes a sound-absorbing molded fiberglass headliner and one-piece carpeting with molded backing that reduce interior noise levels. Under the hood, there's a full-width insulator pad to help muffle engine sounds. They all play an important role in contributing to Celebrity's quiet ride. And here's where it all comes together. Checks and rechecks. Our own silver medallion delivery assurance. It adds up to the kind of care, attention to detail, and overall quality that can be found in Celebrity today. But the most convincing proof of Celebrity's quality is when a prospect gets behind the wheel and test drives a Celebrity. Research shows that 52% of Celebrity owners were not convinced to buy until they took a demonstration drive. It's the most convincing way to prove that Celebrity is one of the best values on the road today. Celebrity, Chevrolet's new generation front-wheel drive family car, offering mid-size comfort and the fuel economy you might expect from a compact.